Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today's reading is about the zodiac Cancer, and the question is what is going to happen in September 2020 for my dear dear Cancer. I'm directly going towards the reading. Okay, for my dear Cancer, your first card is maybe you are going to meet your father, your grandfather, or the person that loves you, and in this month of September, or maybe you have love for care for someone, and you are authorized at this moment. You are. You are very much in love with someone and you are caring for them. You are giving your love to someone, and with the other card, the second card, Queen of Wands, yes, definitely you are protecting someone. Maybe you are protecting someone, you are caring about someone, you are giving someone, you are helping someone, and maybe you are mother or you are father, or maybe you are going towards your father and mother. And this is the Cancer card, your own card, and this is the card of Aries. And you both are okay. You are protecting someone or making money, making food, making home for your loved ones, and you are taking care of others. Yes, you are doing lot of things in this month. Okay, you are performing your responsibilities, you're doing your duties over here. You are at this moment very stubborn, very determined to do something, or you are protecting your money, you are saving it, and you are making the more and more money in this month, and you are not giving others the money um, because you want to save it for your bad time, and that's why you are not giving the money to others, but you are waiting for someone over here. I want to clarify that card. You are waiting for some to end some quarrel, or for some quarrel to end, for some battle to or fight to end over here. With this card, you're waiting for someone, and there is some clarity over here you are going to see with this Moon card, or maybe you are going to know some truth, or someone is going to take off their mask, the false mask, the false face from their face, and they are telling you the truth. They are going to telling you the truth, and you are waiting for that truth. You are waiting for that clarity. You are waiting for to this battle to end, and that's why you are not giving anyone your money, or you are not open to others. You are not talking to others, you are not sharing your thoughts to others. That's why, because you think that is this is not good for you, and you are very wise person at this moment. That's why you are doing these all things. You are waiting, you are not just fighting with others. You are just at this moment you are waiting to have a good time, to have a clarity when you know the truth, and then you are going to decide something over here. You are attracted towards someone, you want to do something, you want to begin something new with someone else. You are waiting for, maybe you are waiting for that person, you are attracted toward that person. At this moment you are a little bit a childlike person. Your thoughts are like a child, and I think you want someone, or want something in your life, and you are so attracted towards that thing. You want to have it, and now you are going to have it. You are doing something over here to have that thing in your life. You are taking the leap of faith. Okay, you don't know whether this thing is good for you or not, or that rather that person is good for you or not, but you are going to propose them, or you are going to say something to them, but there is no success in this situation. There is no, if this situation related to love situation, marriage situation, then in this month you are not going to marry this person, but or you are not going to uh, what can I say, you're not going to succeed in this situation. uh, One more thing, that your home is going to break due to this situation. I want to see why these cards are here. I clarify the card of Four of Wands, and I get the Ten of Pentacles upside down. Yeah, it means that your home is going to break. You both are not going to live with each other or have this relationship anymore. Okay, in this month. Okay, the Tower situation is over here. The Tower card is here. That means that your home is going to break, your relationship is going to break, or your partnership with someone. Maybe if you have business with someone, that is going to break with that person, because you want to win something over here. Okay, maybe this is the situation that you want to marry someone else, you are attracted towards someone else, and that's why you are having divorce with that person, and that person also want this. That person is also want this, because when they know that you want to marry someone else, they don't want to live with you anymore, and that's why this situation related balance. You both don't want this relationship anymore. Okay, and now you are balancing your life. You want to know what is good for you. If you have that person in your life, or if you leave this person and go towards the person you love. Okay, now you are at this moment, you are deciding something. You are not able to decide. You can't decide something over here, because you are so confused over in this situation, but you have to decide something. Okay, that's why this Tower card is over here. Now Justice, there is gonna be a justice over here. Justice with that person or justice with you. I want to clarify that. Okay, Justice card is here because you are defending yourself, you are protecting yourself from others, or you are protecting your love with others, from others, with the person you had married first. Now you want to protect your love, your desire, your happiness, and you don't want to wait for the other person anymore. That's why you are divorcing them, because you think that this is good for them. If they will live with you, they will cry, they will don't have a good time when you have someone else with you. Okay, the third party situation never goes right, and that's why you are leaving that person. You are going to succeed in this situation, but not in this month, but you are going to succeed in this situation. And Ace of Pentacles, you are going to start something new, where you are not able to start something new with that person, but you will surely win. I want to clarify that. Okay, the first card is Page of Cups. Four of Cups. You are not missing the person you are leaving, you are divorcing. You are not missing that person, and you don't want that person anymore. You want other person, and you are doing everything whether this thing is good or not. You are doing anything to have the other person that you want to marry, and also you don't have a strength to do something, or maybe you are not doing something good. You are not justifying others, you are not doing the justice to others, and that's why this card is upside down, and that's why Ace of Pentacles is upside down. Maybe the other person also knows that you are doing something wrong with that person, and they think that if you do this to that person, you will definitely do this to your person that you want to marry. Maybe this could also be the situation for you. Okay, my question is, are you going to marry the person you want to marry? Okay, but there is no love in between you both. Maybe they know that you leave that your first life partner, and they think that you are not the good life partner for them. That's why you are alone in this situation, and you are finding your way to come towards that person, and you want them to forgive you and marry you, and you are very stubborn over here. You are doing it for a lot of time. If they will reject you at first, second or third, you will do it in 9 times, 10 times or 1,000 times, and you will go and win their heart definitely, because you have a lot of love, a lot of care, a lot of attraction towards that person. And I think that person is coming back to you. They are turning and see you. What are you doing? Why are you so pleading to them? Why are you so crying for them? Okay. And chemistry, but there is no chemistry in this situation. You have no chemistry with your first partner. That's why you are leaving them. No honeymoon over this situation, no wedding. Definitely I think that you are not going to marry that person, because they don't like you anymore. And let go the control issues. uh, Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Okay, allow this situation to unfold. uh, yes, to unfold naturally. Release your ex. Okay, that person wants you to release your ex. That's why they are not coming to you. Then when you release your ex, then they will come to you. You deserve love. That definitely, first you have to release your ex. This person, you have to break your home, then they will come to you. Aloha healing, definitely this person will come to you. The person you want to marry, they will come to you. Maybe for some time, the past return for a time or forever. Okay, the angels are with you, the help is with you, signs are with you already. This person is coming towards you. Ravan or Crow. Maybe this reading, this card is for you. You are doing the Ravan job in this situation. You are betraying the first person you married. Okay, you are betraying your husband or wife, and backstabbing them, and ending the relationship with them over here. That's why you are this card is for you, I think so. Or maybe there is the death of this relationship. That's why this is but also this card is for here. Okay, and now this is your reading. I hope you please like, share, subscribe. Please, if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then you can keep watching my videos. You surely get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, by my dear Cancer.